tell a small story. Suppose if I take my village when I was in childhood, at that time there was no tractor, but there was 40-50 bullock carts. Now 2019 there was no bullock in the village, entire village, but there is 5-6 tractors in there. But till now, whatever the operational area for farming in the village, there is the same on that day and this day, both of them. But this is the saturation for tractors usage or for land operation of the area is the same. But where we can get an additional opportunity for selling of the tractors, for increasing the tractor usage, this type of new innovative implements we have to design. For that reason, I have an idea. With that idea, I have designed a implement. After that, there is 2 implements I have designed. I want to introduce those 2-3 implements. Right. Coming to the point, in Mahindra Agri Village, we have worked for banana crop. In that banana crop, we have identified some problems what the farmers are facing. In general practice, people are using for cutting of their banana plant like that. Manually they are cutting and they are throwing out of the field like that they are doing right now. For that reason they are facing, one is labor problem, second one is soil fertility, also they are losing, third one is transportation. How the labor calling them and these are the things. Second thing, soil fertility. Using of this throwing out of the banana stem out of the field, so they are losing their fertility instead of decomposing in their own field. Third thing, transportation. They have to cutting the stem and also they have to bring somewhere of the field out of the field like that. This is also transportation problem. Next, coming to, for that reason, already there is one implement in the market. 1 or 2 implements are available, but also right now those also not doing operation well. Why? Because the tractor, for that implement, they have to use more efficiency tractor, more than 65 like that, 65 HP like that. So by that what happened? The tractor engine is getting too much heat. After that, also while using that mulcher, at the time there is if some stones will be fallen between that mulcher, then it is very harmful to the driver or whoever following the backside of the tractor like that. And also when dry leaves is there at the time, it is rotating to the mulcher and also it is getting stuck like that happening. And also there is one more problem, that much of efficiency tractors also not available in that area. These are the examples while we are doing some research kind of thing in that banana area. First one, we have designed this type of rods and also there is blades like that in front of the tractor for rotating of this type of vertically. Almost it should have 9 feet like that height. It will cut down the plant like in this way. But this also we got some drawbacks. For that reason, again I came with an idea. These are the gimbals. This is the second implement. It is designing like this, 2 cylinders and they do have 2 blades vertically. Like this. This also has support from this side and this side from top and bottom, and also it will go on from the this direction. This have to move with PTO or some other else. This type of design, this type of implements we have to design and we have to attach to the tractor at back side or front side. If we have attached at the back side, then we have to attach at the side. If you attach in front side, then directly we have to attach like that. This is the third implement. This implement can be attached directly to the front side of the even small tractor also, Uraj also. It will work with the hydraulic system in front of the tractor. Like this, if design, it will be height. This height will be 4.5 feet or 9 feet. Like that, we have to keep in front of the tractor. Then we have to operate with the hydraulic system. So when operating with the hydraulic system, it will cut down the plant at one single time for different pieces of soil, and after it will fall down. Coming to the area of operation, in Andhra Pradesh, it is having almost 79.3 thousand hectares. Total entire India, almost it is having 830,000 of hectares as per National Horticulture Board. If we use this type of implements by designing with innovative idea, we can increase our tractor sales by applying different kind of crops. With we can occupy some of the area out of this 830,000 acres. Almost at least we have taken half of the area also. We can have that much of area in India. So that this is an opportunity to increase our tractor sales with applying with banana crop implements. Just an imagination in 2040, a lesson in a school in 2040 on farmers. Teacher is saying, dear students, these were called as farmers. Due to no gains in the agriculture, shifted corporate culture. It means there may be no farmer in 2040. Like that. This is the situation right now. If we continue like this is the message I want. Finally, what I am saying, in India, with the rise of technology, there is lot more opportunity for agriculture. So, what I am requesting, come up with new technology, new innovative ideas for developing the agriculture sector, for rise the agriculture sector in India. Thank you.